Afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this one-hour webinar from Lumify Work. Today, going to be looking at 10 AI use cases that you can build fast. You can perfect with a bit more effort, but you can build these fast, and it'll allow you to put some of your ideas into practice very quickly, so you can try out concepts and see things working. Here comes the agenda. We've got 10 use cases, and then I'll try and suggest something that you can do next. My name's Iain, and I work for Lumify Work. You can find me on LinkedIn, Iain Morrison, Iain Morrison, and I enjoy working with anything to do with data. Obviously, that would cover AI, but it covers the data behind AI, data science, the data engineering that goes into wrangling and refining the data that then we make sense through those shiny new products. And I enjoy researching it, enjoy working with it, certainly enjoy teaching topics in this area. But let's get into it, looking at 10 use cases for AI that you can build pretty quickly. So the 10 use cases, and then I'll talk about some other going forward ideas that you might want to consider. I didn't put a list of the 10 to start with, because maybe you'd be thinking ahead in terms of how you would do it. I'll show you how I might do it, and you can kind of take it from there. It's worth remembering that the most important part of using the tool set that I'm going to be showing you is you, that you have the idea, that you recognize the need, the gap maybe in skill set, or the gap in ability to do something, the efficiencies that you could get from using Microsoft AI tools. So it really starts with you. I'm not going to be driven simply by what can this tool do? That's what I'm going to do. Think about yourself, think about your context, and you're the best person to understand that. The ideas that I'm going to throw out today are just that, they're just ideas. But hopefully they'll give you the impression that if you can think about something, if you can think about a process, or some piece of work, some help that you need in a particular area, you can probably use AI to try and help you. My focus is largely around the Microsoft tool set. So that obviously would feature Copilot, the various components within Foundry, but ultimately it could include any contemporary Microsoft product, M365 product, where we usually have that Copilot button sitting at the top of the screen. So here goes. Here's 10 use cases for AI that you can achieve relatively quickly.